The evolution and measurement of time. Time is one of the most fascinating human inventions that continues to evolve. The earliest calendar concept of measuring time is based on the moon, also called the lunar calendar, as far back as 6,000 years ago. The earliest Egyptian calendar was based on the moon's cycles and began around 3100 BC. The Chinese lunar calendar utilizes both sun and moon cycles, started in 2697 BC. While some look to the moon to measure time, others look to the sun and stars to grasp the measure of time itself. The Sumerians of ancient Mesopotamia, now the area of Iraq, Iran, Syria, and Turkey based on the sun and the stars, calculated that a day was 24 hours long, as well as 1 hour was 60 minutes. Sumerian astronomers also calculated seasons, months, and years based on the study of star constellations. The oldest clock to measure time was the sundial that used shadow of sun rays during the day to determine what the time was. It was created by the Sumerians of Mesopotamia during 3500 BC. Water clocks was also an ancient timekeeping method, also called clepsydra, which measured time with water drops. Other measured the passage of time with sand through the hourglass. However, the inception of time is debatable, and different regions have religious influence to significant events that anchor the timeline. The Muslim Hijri calendar is about 1400 years ago in 622 AD, and is based on the Prophet Muhammad's migration from Mecca to Medina. While the Christian calendar timeline is based on Jesus, as any time prior is BC, before Christ, and any time after is AD, after Christ. The Jewish Hebrew calendar is dated as far back to 3761 BC and implies the beginning of humankind creation by God, based on the Old Testament, was 5,786 years ago. Albert Einstein's discovery that time is relative, not constant, and also that time is affected by both speed and gravity. Albert Einstein proved that time passes faster from someone on the top floor of a tower compared to someone on the ground. The concept of time continues to modify and evolve with the evolution of scientific technology.